Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your Apple account has been locked for security reasons. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your Apple account has been locked, so let's see how can you fix this or how can you unlock your Apple account. So in order to do this, I recommend you have to try to use your Apple Support app to prevent any kind of issue or to get official help. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN, or you can also try to update your software. Then go to your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Scroll down and look for more products from here, and select Apple account. Just scroll down and look for other Apple account topics. Then tap on the search topics option and just simply search for Apple account has been locked. So let's say I'm gonna search for Apple account has been locked. Let's search for this one, and here you'll get some topics. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. Apple account has been disabled for security reasons. Just select this one. Scroll down and look for get more help. So you can directly go through the recovery process or unlocking your account by using this get started option. Or if you don't want to do this, or if you're having any trouble in this step, so just select get more help, then tap on call us, and after that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you'll be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get a field help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.